Now starting with your SQLite database. So very first, your SQLite is an open source database that we used with Android to perform different database operations such as storing, manipulating, retrieving your data from the database. Now it is built in your Android and it consists of all the features of your relational database. It provides you the cross-platform feature. Now basically why we use the SQLite database? Very first, it is serverless, that is it does not need to attach with some server process or a separate server process. It has zero configuration, that is it does not require any setup or administration. It requires less memory. It is self-contained, that is there are no external dependencies, and the transaction that it provides, that is nothing but they are supported by the ACID properties, that are nothing but the atomicity, consistency, isolation and the durability. That is the reason basically we go for the SQLite database, which is an inbuilt type of database. Now for using this database, we need to use the SQLite Open Helper class, which comes with different functionalities, methods that we can use while using the SQLite database. Now, the helper class allows us to create the database, perform the different methods. We can also create the constructor of the Open Helper class and perform the different operation. So whenever you are going to create a database, along with your XML and main Java file, you are going to create one more data helper Java file where you are going to have the object of this helper class, where you can create and update your database. That is, you can perform